Which of the following is not a tautology? We will solve this question using truth table. Say A, B, C. 0, false, false. Let's check with option A. A imply B. We will use the truth table. P imply Q is false whenever P is true and Q is false. And it is true otherwise. When P is 0, Q is 0. It is true when P is true, false, Q is true. It is true when P and Q both are true, then also it is true. We will use this concept here. A false, it is true, 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 false, false, true, true. B implies C. True, true, false, true, true, again true, 1 0 again, false, 1 1 again, true. A implies C. Again it is true, true, 0 0 true, 0 1 true, 1 0 false, 1 1 true, 1 0 false, 1 1 true. Now and will be 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. You may replace this. Now this will be evaluated. 1 and 1, it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. You may replace this, it is of no use now. This is our answer. It is full tautology, so A is not our answer. Let's check with option B. A by implies C, whole imply not B, imply A and C. A by imply C, P by imply Q is true when P and Q has the same truth value, 0 0 1 1. It is true. When they have different truth value, 0 1 or either 1 0, it is false. We will use this concept here. 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Not B we will write. It is 0, here we will write 1. It is 0, here we will write 1. Here 1, we will write 0 0 0 0. A and C, 0 and 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Now 1 implies 0 is false, 1 implies 0 is false, 0 implies 0 is true, 0 implies 0 true, false, true, true, true. You may replace this, Now we will evaluate this operation. 1 implies 0 is false. Yes, at the first position we will, this operation is the result of this expression, and at the first place we will receive false, and hence it is not. Once we get 0 means it is not tautology, hence our answer is B.